get time to talk about it.
Tumekuja na ujumbe moja. Tuko na wewe. Mzee ametutrain. Kama mimi nilikuwa one of the youths wale wanaenda mbele kabla mzee ajengie kwa nani. Ametutrain na wakati yake ya kupumzika ilifika. So leo tuna celebrate maisha yake. Kama nakumbuka nilikuwa nakuja Karen huko sana. Consult na kusalimia mzee. Ameenda lakini wewe iko. So takuwa nasimama na wewe kutoka sasa mpaka eternity. Mungu awabariki. Asante.
Niliwaambia ni mzungu.
Today I was a bit low. I was feeling low. But when the kisses arrived through that gate, I warmed up. Because I saw all the familiar faces. These people sitting up here are people we worked with very, very closely. They've worked with Baba, Raila, Odinga very, very closely. And therefore, we regard them, though they're kisses, we regard them as members of our home. There are people who don't need any invitation to come. There are people who don't need to be shown, this is where you sit, because they'll come in and look for the seat where they want and sit. But I'm very happy to have seen this group. This group comprises of many, many people of different areas. I've seen the Wazee. Thank you very much, Wazee. I've seen Wakina Mama. I've seen leaders. I've seen young leaders who have got a big responsibility to carry the mantle that they've been left with. Your coming here cannot be taken for granted. It is special, and I'm most thankful to see you and to welcome you to this place. Now, this place where we are is called Opoda Farm. But Raila was buried